All right, it is that special time of year again, the holidays. And with that, I have curated 3 kits for you. A beautiful gift that's ready to go, either for somebody that you love greatly or even for yourself. So our 3 kits that we've curated for you are our Skin Boost Kit, our Ultimate Winter Skin Kit, and our Autumn Winter Color Kit. I'm gonna tell you a little bit about each kit and show you a really cute way on how you can wrap it up, ready to gift. So each kit comes in our signature Tyvek bag, reusable and washable, super cute. So the first product we will talk about in the Skin Boost Kit will be our new Eye Boost masks. These are reusable over and over again, made from 100% non-porous silicone, which means it's going to draw moisture forward. It is going to help push and plump up your skincare with whatever you put underneath it. It's super, super easy to use. You can use them alone, or you can put product on underneath, leave them on for about 15, 20, 30, however long you want. Take them off, and you just wash them off and put them in the tin, ready to go. Next up is the wash. So this is our all-in-one wash. You can use this on your face, you can use it on your hands, you can use it in your hair, you can use it on your body. It is part oil, part soap, so there's a bit of a unique sort of milky finish to it, a very sort of soft texture. And it has organic aloe in there, which is going to actually bring moisture back into the skin, hair, body, wherever you use it, as well as different essential oils that are going to create a bit of an aromatherapy experience while using it. It smells amazing. So you can use that, put it in the box, put it in the bag. And then last up in our Skin Boost Kit is our moisturizer cream. This is definitely becoming one of our cult favorite products. It has a beautiful sort of baby blue color to it because of the blue tansy in there. It has a lot of hyaluronic acid in it, so it's actually going to raise your skin's moisture, plump the skin, actually going to help hydrate, cool the skin, calm the skin, and heal the skin's barrier. After you've applied it, your skin feels like silk. It's really smooth, it sinks into the skin beautifully, and it has a really, really nice sort of milky texture to it. This also is really great under the eye area when you're applying your Eye Boost mask. Eye mask, wash, moisturizer cream, a full kit for hydrated, clean, beautiful, plump skin. So I'm going to use a really beautiful thick black ribbon, just keep it really simple and minimal. I'm actually terrible at gift wrapping, so the more simplified, the better for me, and I'm sure for many others out there. And sort of twist the ribbon, crisscross it on the back, bring it back to the front, and then attempt to tie a nice bow. I have no idea what I'm doing. Okay, and then that's it. How cute is that? How excited would you be if somebody handed you this incredible gift? I know I would be. Beautiful, sustainable, full body, multi-use products for all genders.